we're going to show a quick video of why not to buy cheap padlocks from places like Poundland and general hardware places that sell the really cheap shitty ones. Alright, so padlock's open. We'll lock it up. Right. Basic lockpick. And it's open. That's it, that's how easy it is. It's ridiculously easy. Show you again. Most of these cheap locks have only 1 or 2 pins. So once you get those popped, there we go, again, done. That's the key that came with it. Where's the camera? So you've got nothing all the way along here and 2 tiny pins. So that's why it's so easy. Let's show you again, one last time. Put the original key in this time. Right, key, padlock, done. Key, padlock, sorry, lockpick. It takes slightly longer, but now if your bike or your garage or your shed or whatnot is locked by one of these shitty things and somebody wants to break into it, without cutting the lock, so leaving no there we go, done. So yeah, don't buy these sort of things. Because you'll be getting stuff nicked. Don't use lockpicks to cause crime, because I'll get in shit and I'll get the blame for it.